So apparently it's karaoke with a difference. So they're gonna play a rhythm, and then they'll just give us some words, and we are supposed to come up with a song. Why? I don't know. I just feel my producer do have nothing to do, and I think she should be fired.
No, your producer is creative, and she wants to add an element of music and smile.
Well, I do have a creative bone in my body, but just go on, put up the words.
Is there a prize?
Eh? I'm going to win it, don't matter.
All right, vote.
Me no worry about
EMPREZZ.
So I must sing a song with those words in it? That's a word? Me no worry about nobody. None tall. None tall. Me no worry. 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 Me no have to say nothing more. Me a the big DJ all the time. And Smile Jamaica, me ride rhythm like crazy. Yes. Me done. Me no have nothing more to say. Me no worry, me no worry, me no worry, me no worry. Run the rhythm, run the rhythm, run the rhythm. Yeah! Run the rhythm. All right, we're done.
If I like it to do. Okay, my turn now. Me and my baby. Is this dancehall or reggae? What am I for say? Me and my baby? Yeah. One big up all the people there. You don't know life on Smile Jamaica. I want me say, yo. I'm me and my baby, loving every baby, all of my baby, pick a baby from a big belly. And now me say, hey, yo, me have two kind of baby. One me love, and one me nurse baby. Nobody see me coming, your baby. Anyway, stop. Pull up that. You don't know. Yeah, I'm a big artist on the internet, but I don't really know my song on the stage. You don't know, but bring it back again. Yeah. All the lyrics go again. Yeah, but you want me song now. You ready? Yo, Never Bell. I want me say, yo, Never Bell no call me, baby. Can you never ever give me no money? Never Bell no call me, baby. Can you never ever give me, baby? There's only one man that can call me, baby.
The time done. All right. Then we have to do another one. Run this up. They can't work with me. You have a backup singer.
No, yeah, me not backup. Me a lead.
All right. Man, them say man a baller, right? So, Smile Jamaica, we are done the place now. If you can play football, you need to come see me. All you need, down North Street, find me. We juggle. Plenty footballer, and me coach them. Them play for Barcelona, Chelsea, Manchester United. But the biggest baller in the world, I mean, come run some football with me anytime you're ready. The biggest baller, I mean.
You are the biggest baller in the world.
I mean. I mean, run some football every day. I mean,
yo, tune this, hello. Yeah, I want to big up all the artists and want to big up Never Bell right now, because you are the biggest baller. One more. Smile, thoughts, smile. smile thoughts. That are my lyrics. All right. Want to big up the Hillside Band. Put on my artist voice, you know. Yeah, right about now, we're going to do it like this. I owe me, right, Carl Jackson? Yeah, give me the rhythm. Anything. Smile, smile, thoughts. Singing sweet music. Every day I wake up, I said smile, somebody loves you. I said smile, 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 smile. Somebody loves you, baby. That's a thought that runs through my mind every morning when I rise. Even though the night before was down, I still rise. I smile, smile Jamaica. Smile, smile, smile. Thoughts, smile, yeah. Smile, smile, thoughts. Although my day was rocky, that person got me down. He made me so upset, and you should have seen my frown. And now I just said to myself, what's a girl to do? What's a girl to do? What's a girl to do? I said smile, 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 thoughts. That is what I do. Smile, 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 thoughts. That is what we do. And now we take a break, my people. My people smile. My people smile. We gotta take a break right now. Hillside Gully sound is so good.